Hello, today I would like to show you this very interesting device. This is a military ration heater that is powered from a 24-volt system. In my case, this is a military battery. I changed the plug. First, the most interesting thing is the plug itself. This is how this looks like. And that is quite interesting, and you might start asking question where you should plug it. And I believe I know the answer because a long time ago I was involved in moving a military hospital, and they've got something that allow them to power all the light from a battery. And they've got adapter. This is actually a mount also from that project, but they've got a E27 adapter that you can screw into a normal socket. But on the end, you've got this type of connector that will allow you to put a car bulb. So you can use a DC lighting on a AC power system, and I believe that's exactly what this plug is. So if you are in the combat vehicle, you most likely should just remove the bulb and you can stick this unit, and after you're done, you do not have to worry to get a special power connector. You just remove the bulb. I might be totally wrong, but that's what I believe it is. Maybe there was no designated power outlet, and they think, okay, you can use the light in the cabin and you can plug yourself to the DC installation. So that's just a tiny interesting thing. So this is the bag. I'm going to show you that in a second, but first of all, let's take a look at the temp meter. And it go from around 60 something Celsius up to almost 80 Celsius degree, which is pretty hot. I would say you can slow cook something in this, but of course that was designated only for warming up your meal. Very nice blue bag that looks like a little bit thermal insulation. This is how it looks like, and it must be old. I'm not sure what kind of date, but maybe like Vietnam, because it using this very old school switch. Maybe someone know the date and will be able to tell me. But I will still, this is quite vintage stuff. Here we've got some kind of pouch that I've got no idea what should go. We've got a nice carry-on strap. Here you can nicely carry it. This is a magnet, so I believe you can nicely put it inside a vehicle and it's going to stay that way. Very nice. This is a magnet, as you can see. It's joining together without any problems. Here we've got the power indicator that is making extremely hot, and I almost burn myself by just touching this. So clearly this is some kind of a design problem. Here is a fuse that is reset able, and you just twist it in case it pop up. And very nice build quality, absolutely perfect. I very like it. Here we've got some kind of information that I have no idea how to read it. Here we've got the national stock number, so you can find this device in case you would be interested in purchasing. And after opening, we've got quick user manual. We've got how to how to heat up the meal ready to eat. We can heat water. We've got maintains, and here is how it looks like. This is the heating element. I believe that would be a thermal switch. It's going to disconnect, and that looks like the this is like a thermal switch that's going to go back and enable. That one looks like a not resetting, one use only. That's what I believe. Maybe I'm wrong, but I would guess that will be a correct way. And as you can see, looks extremely nice. Of course, it was designated for the military ration, but as long you are not going to tell to this device, hey, I'm not going to put a military food, you should be 100% okay with putting something civilian, and you can take it nicely for a hike or for a walk and power it from a military battery. And I'm running this over like 6 hours from that battery, and it's constantly keeping it warm, and it didn't drain all the battery, so I believe it's just switching on off on off on off, and because of that it's not draining really that much power. So yeah, I believe this is a really great device. If you remove all the food, it doesn't waste up much space. And yeah, with the military battery, it gives you a very nice field cooking experience. So here you go. I hope you find that interesting. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time, and bye bye.